Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to s squared. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have du equals to 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change for u. S ds we change for du over 2. The integration of e to the power of u, we will have e to the power of u, and we put about c about u, that's about s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.